Hello guys, 3D5 my life here, back with another video of the Lineux Toolchanger. Okay, I have 4 tool head printing at the moment. As you can see here, it's printing the multicolor Voron Cube. But from my initial observation, there's a problem with the blue, the light, the cyan tool head. I think the extruder might have some problem, or is it under extruding or something like that, because I did not do any calibration yet for each of the tool head, just doing the nudge, the tool offset calibration, but no individual calibration done yet on each of the tool head. But right now it's printing, as you can see. I think it's about to do a tool change. Let's see do a tool change in action. Okay, so 4 tool head is currently working, which is a great news, good news for the development of the Lineux Toolchanger. So once I have finalized all the calibration, everything perfectly tuned for the filament, the extruders, everything, the flow, the pressure, advance. So once we have that calibrated, we'll do another print, but this time we're going to make a big print. And as you can see again, there will be totally no perch towers at all for Lineux Toolchanger. We, like I said, we want to develop this Toolchanger without the need of a perch tower, to just minimize, not minimize waste, no wastage at all, for the purpose of no wastage. Of course, I don't think it can be really that perfect, but we hope to get the best quality without any waste. Right now it's printing, as you can see. So the only the cyan color, so the tool number 3, so the T3 tool head, maybe I need to do a calibration to see the flow. Maybe it's under extruding, something like that, but I need to do. But so far the clipper is working, thanks to Jack Beam in our Discord channel, the founder also of Lineux Toolchanger. He has really put in so much effort to the BTC clipper, so credit to him. It's a very huge effort by him. Thanks, I really need to thank him. I can't thank him enough for helping me through the software. The hardware mostly is done, just some maybe minor tweaks to the design here and there, just to add the status LED on the tool head. Maybe since this is just for me, this is just a temporary docking position which is in the back. I intend to have the docking position in front, so with the umbilical running to a panel at the back here, a top head panel. So the umbilical, the top head panel will be this way, the umbilical will be running towards the top head panel. So all the docks will be in front, and in the future we are going to be developing the dock swipe, whereby the dock is a moving mechanism, so that we will have zero build loss. It's still in development, but for the Lineux Toolchanger wise, it is fully working and running, and I can confidently say that if any of you want to try it out, you can join us in our Discord channel, or you can download the files in the GitHub or whatever. If you have any question, just ask them in our Discord channel. We'll be more than glad to help. Bomb wise also, I have put in some bomb wise which are yet to change if there's any tweaks. For example, one of the members, Art, in the Discord channel, he recommended some a mechanism for the dock pin, so that it's much easier and much more secure, more stable for the dock pin. So it's a good idea by him, which we will look at integrating into the dock itself. So the bomb might change, the parts might change, everything, something like that. So yeah, basically that's it. This is just to show you that the Toolchanger is working. as per what we developed from the start. Is working great. Is working as it should. So yeah, I post some more videos of a big print next. Maybe a bowl, a multicolor bowl, or multicolor container, vase, something like that, just to show how the tool changer works. But there's going to be a long print, and I don't have a camera, so the only camera I have is a webcam, which is a very not a cheap webcam, so the quality might not be good, but that's the only camera that I can use. If I were to use my phone camera, I don't know whether the storage is enough to capture the whole print. So we see how it goes, and I will record the next video later once I have calibrated all the tools. Alright, see you guys. Hello guys. Okay, so the model has finished printing. Let's have a look at the model. Okay, like I said, the cyan filament is a bit of a problem with the cyan filament. I think could be the flow or something like that is not right. See, it seems like under extruding, but the rest of the filament seems okay, seems good. Only the cyan filament, so I will need to calibrate the T3 toolhead. That is the cyan color, but so far the printing looks good, and the best thing about this is zero waste, and that's what we are trying to achieve. So we got this printed. I'll do the calibration for the toolhead, and we'll test print with a bigger print, but everything seems good. Yep, it could be also the temperature, I don't know. I'll have to check out the toolhead itself, but I can consider this a success print. That's great news, guys. Alright, see you guys in the next video.